chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers in the morning. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 40. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning device. During the
Hey.
rebuild receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this test of NOAA radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Southern Illinois area. Today, showers likely.
Yes, I caught it
A slight
at
chance of
school.
thunderstorms this morning. Very much chance of thunderstorms.